Finally, I got you, you sneaky little train. Usually I wind up missing you. Sneaky CSX. I finally got you. Problem is, I don't know how long the train is, and I don't have much time, of course. Shame. Finally got you. Usually I always wind up missing CSX. It's like the company almost doesn't like me or something. Hope that's not true. This could be a short one, I don't know. I can't see how long it is. CSX is so hard to get a hold of, you know? May not be for other people, but it's hard for me. Yeah, you're not really missing anything. It's all tanks. Yeah, it looks like we're changing a little bit. Got 3 minutes and 52 seconds. I want to use them wisely. I thought we was getting to the end for a second. We're not. I can't really do a whole lot because, again, I have 3 minutes and 52 seconds. So, yeah. See, that's how you know it's CSX when they have them cards. I think this is like my third or fourth year a rail fan. That's something I never seen. Southern Pacific. Another thing I haven't seen: log carts, cart full of poles or logs, whatever they are. Here's the end. And they don't use DPUs. I don't know why. Norfolk Southern always use well, most of the time they mostly use DPUs. I don't know why they don't. Where's your Fred at? I don't see the Fred. Ah, there it is. It's kind of tucked in. Looks like they're getting ready to do some kind of construction with a crane. Could be the bridge. Who knows? Could be the last train I get for a while.